Welcome to this series, The Law of Attraction Truth. This is video 4 of 5. And in this one, I'm going to be covering a powerful visualization technique so that you can manifest or attract anything that you want in your life. I am Dan Warburton, a transformational coach who's known for having enabled thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners to succeed in extraordinary ways. I've also got web spaces full of testimonials backing this up, and I'm often invited to speak to audiences of thousands around the world about what transformation makes possible. I now get to live an extraordinary lifestyle, and I want you to be able to experience the same. So firstly, do I believe that visualization enables the law of attraction? Yes, I absolutely do. However, please watch my other videos if you've not seen them yet, because I see the law of attraction not as attraction as such. So I would absolutely say that visualizing is at the center of the law of attraction. Why? Well, it's simple. What you focus on, you get more of. Let me explain why. Let me get this bit of paper here, and here we are. We'll cover this one up here from yesterday. So, what we focus on, we get more of. Now, how many times have you perhaps gone into an interview or you've gone into a meeting and you've really wanted a certain outcome, or you've wanted a result or a pay rise or something, and you're really scared that you're not going to get it, and that you're really worried what they're going to think, and you go into that job interview or you go into that meeting and you find it hard to breathe, and you find it difficult during the meeting or during the interview to speak properly, and in the end you come out and you think, oh God, I didn't do very well, and sure enough the opportunity doesn't turn out as you want, and it doesn't go the way that you want, and you're just left dissatisfied. Have you ever had that experience? I certainly have, and I'm sure that many of you will agree that at some point in your lives, you have had that experience. Now, what was it that you were focused on before going into that meeting or that interview? Think about it. Were you focused on the outcome, the power that's in you, the feeling free, unstoppable, all the great things you could do for the company, all the great outcomes that could come for the meeting, the excitement, the inspiration? Or would you have been focused on being worried that you won't get it, that it will fall apart, that it will fail, that they won't like you? Absolutely. That's probably what you were focused on. So what we focus on is what we end up with. If we're focusing on something great and something that inspires us, then we walk around with this spring in our steps. We're happy to meet people because we've got something instantly to speak about that inspires us. And usually when other people find out or sense that level of inspiration within us, they're then interested to experience that for themselves. So can you see where I'm going with this? So is visualizing important? Yes, it's absolutely important. So for instance, you could be visualizing on, I don't know, worrying about being liked, for instance. You know? Now, if that's our focus, you know, we create like an energy of worry. Worry about being liked, worrying what will people think of us, and then we start behaving that way, we start talking that way, and then all we ever experience is people finding it difficult to be around us, or people not wanting to work with us or not give us opportunities because we come across as maybe as a bit intense, or we try too hard, and so this is what we end up with. But if you're focused on creating happiness in the world, yeah? If you're focused on creating your dream house, your dream car, you know, whatever that is. And if you're then focused on impacting many, many people in the world, you know, mum, dad, sister, brother, I mean, focusing on making everyone happy in the world. You know, I mean, what if we were to focus on making the lives of 100,000 people better? What if that was our focus? What if maybe we were focused on bringing, what's this? These are waves of water. What if we were focused on bringing fresh, clean drinking water for people? And we allowed ourselves to get inspired at all these people that are experiencing that fresh, clean drinking water. You know, and we know that if we brought fresh, clean drinking water to all these people, then people are going to want to work with us. They're going to be inspired to create more deals with us because they know that if they create a deal with us, that then we're going out in the world and doing this. And then what happens as a result of doing this? You end up with a house. You end up with a dream car. You end up with, you know, wonderful people that fill your life. So I'm not going to draw that in red because I use red usually as a bad thing. But you end up with relationships full of this. Love. Yeah? We all, admit it, we all want to be loved. We all want more of this. So I'm now going to give you a visualization technique so that you can create this. Every moment in your life you've got two choices. Either survive or create. If you're surviving, you're focusing on all the things you don't want to go wrong. You're focusing on all the things that you don't want. However, if you're in a realm of creation, you're focusing on all the great things you can do in the world and all the people that you can serve. Right? That's the most important thing. All the people that you can serve. So my powerful visualization technique is this. It's based on, as I was saying, doing this. So what I want you to do is every day focus on all the people that you want to see happy. Focus on all the people that you would love to have a happier life, of all the people that you want to heal. And every day for just, I would say even just 5 minutes, so you wake up, brush your teeth, go and sit down, and for 5 minutes, visualize all the people that you want to make happy and see them all smiling. See all these smiling faces. See your mum, your dad, your next door neighbour. See them smiling. Yeah? Close your eyes and see them smiling. See them healthy. See them well. If they're not with you right now, then just send them love and see them smiling. Remember them smiling. Doing this is going to make you completely focused about serving other people. How do you become wealthy? How do you create the life of your dreams? You get there by serving people. So this is your most powerful visualization technique. Because what will happen is throughout the day, you'll begin becoming less focused about getting more and more about how you can serve other people. Your anger will fade. A tendency to be greedy will fade, and you'll be left with this uplifting sense of a commitment to wanting to serve and see people smile. That is your most powerful visualization technique. If you've got an entrepreneurial friend, then make them feel special by sharing this video with them. Also, feel free to contact me about anything. And don't forget, if you're truly committed to succeed, then hit that subscribe button.